Assalamu alaikum everyone. We have a project about abuses of technology from the course Entrepreneurship and Social Advocacy. Technology. Does technology make human life easy? Let's see. There are thousands of corrupt sites on the internet that can be easily found and can be a detrimental factor to letting children use the internet. Impacts of video game on children. Research has shown that by playing video games, kids can have aggressive thoughts, angry feelings, and psychological effects such as increased heart rates and blood pressure. Kids measure aggressive personality traits and self-reported aggressive acts. Noise pollution. Noise is one of the most common causes of hearing loss, leading to more than 800 million people worldwide living with hearing loss. Noise causes accumulation of stress, inflammation, and changes in body chemistry, leading to problems. Most murders are committed with firearms, especially guns. Chances of successful suicide attempts would seem to be maximized by using shotguns. Radiation effects. Every person in the world is struck by about 15,000 of particles of radiation every second of his life. There are a number of radiation emitting devices including cell phones, TV, computer, radars, satellites, X-rays, and above all bombs. Radioactive chemicals capable of emitting alpha-beta particles cause damage to lungs, heart, brain, kidneys, abnormal reproduction, and pose a serious threat to human health. WMD weapons kill and bring significant harm and cause great damage to man-made structures. See. Greenhouse effect. Some of the infrared radiations passes through the atmosphere, but most is absorbed and re-emitted in all directions by greenhouse gas molecules and clouds. The effect of this is to warm the Earth's surface and the lower internet effects. It's Facebook itself who is testing the patience of Muslim community. That's why the blasphemy page has not been removed as yet, contradicting its own privacy policy. Placing of Adhan and recitation of Quran as ringtones and alarms. This is degrading or misusing of Holy Quran and should never be taken for use as an alarm. Kids at very young age get exposed to things that shouldn't be at this age. Young generations have a chance of getting addicted, plagiarism is getting common, changes in mental and physical. Please don't abuse the technology. Protect life through correct use of technology. Technology has its set of pros and cons, and it is our duty to analyze this and use it for the benefit of humanity. Thank you.